What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Gem of All Trades channel. You've made it to Sunday night charts, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me see if I can get my picture on the screen here. There we go. There I am in all my beauty. Hope you're doing well. Let me know audio and video is good. We're going to jump right into the charts, guys. We're going to look at the market, BTC, and the overall crypto market. We're going to look DXY, the SPX, just get a general overview of the entire market, see if we can figure out where price might be going. Guys, I'm an Elliott Wave trader. You've landed on my channel. If this is your first time, glad you're here. Hit that like and subscribe. You're going to get all kinds of updates through the week, what the market's doing from an Elliott Wave perspective. We killed it this week, guys, killed it. The analysis was fantastic. If you caught the videos, hope you did. Let me know in the comments if you did. And if you were able to make some profit on some of those trades, that's awesome. Don't forget, guys, I'm not here to give you financial advice, but I am here to show you how we trade and give you some ideas to at least work with and to validate or invalidate in your own trading. So welcome. Glad you guys are here. Let's see. There's Ryan Lewis and Pam Spencer. Ernest of Gaia. Cheers to you, sir. Cheers to the Ernest of Gaia. Crypto Fever. What's up, Jay? How you doing, buddy? Market Wizard. We are rolling. We are. And there's Keith M. and David Joseph. Good to see you. And Tanner Russell. Good to see you, too. Hugo. There he is, guys. And Andrew, yeah. Welcome to the channel. Okay, guys. Let's jump into the market, guys. I'm just going to say hello to you, and let's jump in. There are 40 people here and only 12 likes. Hit them likes, guys. Don't forget, if you don't mind. I got my trading laptop in front of me, so if I need to pause for a minute and take a peek, I might do that. So just to give you a fair warning about that. All right, let's jump in to the analysis and see what's going on. All right, 4-hour chart. Let's look at the ideas. Basically, my primary premise at the moment, guys, is that we're making an ABC. Okay, that's my primary idea. We're making a large ABC off the top. Now, there are other counts. Another count says that this was the top of a fifth wave of a wave 3, maybe. So this would be maybe the finish of wave 3, and now we're in the middle of a correction, where this might be a 5-wave move to the downside. Yeah, that's a possibility, guys. This might be an impulse to the downside. We get a 3-wave pullback, and then we have much deeper things going. But right now I'm going to look at this as a 3-3-5 expanded flat, and the 5 wave, the C wave, is turning into what appears to be a what do you call it, an expanding diagonal. No, excuse me, that is incorrect, an ending diagonal. I apologize. Sometimes I don't say what I'm thinking. So yeah, C always needs 5 waves, so we got 1, 3 wave 2, we got a wave 3, looking for wave 4, guys, and then we're looking for wave 5. I can get us down to 20K, 17, 18K, in that range. Any number of ideas there, but looking for a pump here, guys. Looking for a pump to the upside soon. Doesn't mean we can't kind of fake out to the downside first. I'm going to show you the ideas on the small time frame and the large time frame, but overall this is the trajectory that we're heading. That doesn't mean I'm here to tell you we're going straight up and you should take the trade now, okay? It doesn't mean that. It simply means that the overall trajectory on the 4-hour chart is up, looking for price to begin pumping, but it's going to pump in 3 waves. I'm going to be looking for something like this. This is the next pump I'm looking for, something like that, with a pullback and then another hit to the high. Something like that, 3 waves, and then we dump again, okay? And it's going to resemble this wave right here, okay? And right now we are currently in something similar to that right there, right here, okay? Just so you kind of can see a fractal of what's playing out. All right? So with that, guys, let's jump into the smaller time frame idea and let's look at what's going on in this area. I've been telling you for the past week or so, expect a lot of sideways consolidation, okay? Up, down, okay? And that's what we're getting. I'm going to show you a couple of ideas in the small time frame, and I'll show you what I'm seeing. Let me see here. All right, let's see. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Let's see if we can make sense of this correction, this sideways action. It's acting within a range, okay? It's ranging, and so you say, what's going on there, okay? Well, what's going on is it's ranging, but when we're ranging, what is it? Is it a discernible wave structure? Yes, it is. It is a discernible wave structure. It is something that you can actually predict, but we're going to have to look at it with some, with some careful eyes and talk about different ideas that it could be. One idea is that we have a triangle working, guys, and we just broke out of it. Okay, we have a triangle. That's a possibility. So we're going to say that this was the A wave right here. It's called a running triangle. When the B wave surpasses the A wave, there's your C wave right there. Okay, looking for, there's your D wave, and then there's E. All right, there's 3 waves. 3 waves in every one of them. I haven't measured the retraces of them, but have we come to the 786? This came almost to the 786 retrace. Triangles love the 786 retrace. Okay, let's see here. If we go up here, oh, that came deeper than the 786. That came much deeper. So, and this came deeper than the 786. So it may not be a triangle, but it's a possibility. It's an idea. And if that's the case, then what we've got here is a 1, 2, and now we're in the process of continuing on. We need 5 waves, so we're going to need 5 waves in this. So we're in the process of making this move. If this were to play out, I'm looking for something like this. Maybe just depends on what happens here, but this is 3 waves down. This is 3 waves up. Maybe we get a 5-wave move down. Okay, and then we get a move back up to the upside to continue, and some kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 like that, and that's how we continue pumping this up. But I'm looking for a pump here, guys, potentially as an idea, a 5-wave move out of the triangle. Okay, and what that's going to be is looking on this time frame here. Oh, sorry. This time frame, looking for this as an A. The triangle is B, or that's a W, X, and this is a Y. But I think it's an ABC. Could be a WXY. That means we're looking for 3 waves and not 5 waves. But nevertheless, this is the overall shape that we'd be looking for on the upside. So there's an idea for you. 5 waves. Okay? All right. What else could be happening here? Well, this could be actually a part of a WXY, where this actually comes down here first and then goes up. Let me show you the other count here. So if it's a WXY, which I tend to be a little bit more inclined to. Here's the way I'm looking at it right now. Okay, so this is an A, B, and a C. Okay. And then we've got an A, a B, and a C right there. And now look what we've got. Now look what we've got. We've got an A, we're getting B, we're almost finished, and then we need a C. We're getting a ending diagonal right in here as a potential finished move. In fact, this is what I'm watching for right here. Hoping we're hoping we're getting an ending diag here. That would be a nice play right there. And we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That finishes that move out. Okay, and this actually becomes a WXY instead of an ABC. So that B wave becomes a W right here, W, X, and then Y. Okay, and that finishes the B wave of another ABC. And all of that, what happens is, and I like this count a lot, is that this becomes, is that 3, a WXY. So W for the first 3. Okay. X, the second 3, and then the third 3 becomes Y. Okay, looking for a possible target there. Looking for, I don't know, just underneath this. I like 28K, guys. 28K is not a bad target. Right there. There we go. 28K. Looking for the 127 extension, 1414. So that's where I'd be targeting there for if this move is correct, if this is the WXY. Now, one thing that kind of corroborates this idea, now I'm not sure if this diagonal is correct, but if one thing that corroborates this idea is the CME chart. Okay, let me show you the CME chart here. CME chart looks like you got 3 waves down. Now we're getting a flat to the upside. That doesn't quite look finished. Looks like we're flagging out for the 4th wave. We're going to need a 5th wave to the upside to finish this, and so we'd have something like, one. Oh, come on. For the C wave, I'm trying, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And gets us up to the 1-to-1 extension of this move. And then we'd expect to move back down to the downside after that's complete. So that would be A, B, and then C. Or, again, we could be getting a WX and then a Y if this doesn't come up 90% of the previous wave. Remember, a flat ABC needs to come back 90% of the previous wave. So we needed to get up to about 31K, guys. We need to see it pump up to about 31K before this played. But that would be a possibility as well. We'd come down, take out this liquidity zone down here, okay, and then go up and take out the top liquidity up here, right there. So that's another idea I'm watching for, guys. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? The triangle where we just start pumping up now, or this WXY where we actually hit the bottom first before we take the bottom out first before we take the top out? Which one do you like? Let me hear your ideas in the comments. 70 of you here. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Glad you're here. I want to do a little work on the small time frame while you guys are chatting with me in the chat there of what you think might be happening. I wonder if I like this as a diagonal here. Yeah, I do. Every wave's got to have 3 waves. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Boom. And then I just need one more pump, guys. One more pump. I need this thing to pump to the upside in three waves. That looks pretty decent there. Hey Mark, hey Market Wizard. You're spamming my chat, man. We gotta have the chill button for Market Wizard. Thanks for cheering me on. I appreciate it. Stop, please. Please stop. Oh man. All right. Let's see. What else everybody else saying? Let's see here. Hidden Bear's working. Large time frame. Let's check that out. I haven't looked at that because small time frame. You see the small time frame right here? We got Hidden Bull. Yeah, there's Hidden Bull in the small time frame. So I'm looking for this move to the upside. I'd like to see that. In fact, a good indicator of that is if it breaks the structure to the upside here. Oh, you know what? That might be Leo. That's true. What's up, Leo? James Bond is here. How's life there in Puerto Rico, man?
Try to keep cutting it. No, it's good. Honey, it's good. Here, can I help you? Can I just... No, that's not what change things, but if you like that better, then still, you might not be able to get the suction.
Let me see here. I want to look at this wave. Let's do a little micro analysis here. What is this wave here?
No, forget it. Don't tilt it. Just straight it down.
3,
Why can't I
3,
Because it's a
5,
boundary. It's not going to work.
3.
No, I didn't mean tilt the straw. I meant tilt.
That's not what I meant.
I like this as an ABC, guys. I do. Look at this.
Mine has a
We got A right here, and then we got a flat right there as a B right there, and then C. I like that as a flat right in there. A, B, C. And then 5 waves down. Oh, that's looking really good. looking really good for an upside move. You are not Leo. Okay. Not a good guess, guys. We didn't guess very well with that. But yeah, let's see if we get 3 waves here to the upside. Let's see if we get a 3-wave move here in the 5th wave, and it creates an ending diag. Not a bad idea there. Let's see if it plays. Oh yeah, Leo would say I'm not Leo, so we know you're Leo. Chemo, we just said the same thing. It's exactly what Leo would say. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. Sounds like something Leo would say. Okay, all right. Thanks for chilling like a villain, Mr. McMillan. All right. Did she laugh at that? Oh.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. I didn't know if she was laughing at what I was rhyming. All right, let's see what else we got going on here. So yeah, I like this as a WXY. So I'm really I'm kind of biased to a downside move. Not a big fan of the triangle move. I kind of think maybe the downside move is fairly plausible. So let's see what we get tonight. We do have a big gap on the CME as well. Big time gap in here. So I think we go and fill it, but I think we pump a little bit. I'd like to see one more wave to the upside first. Pump up to the upside. We can pump up the jams there. Okay, so there we go, guys. So that's what we're looking at. We're either looking at this WXY or ABC down, and then we go up. Okay, so guys, on this way down, look for 5 waves, and look for them to be pretty fast and volatile. Okay, so what you'd be watching for is 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something fast and volatile, more than likely. Okay, and if you get that move to the downside, that's going to be good. We're targeting 28K roughly, bottom of these waves here, but I don't think that's it. I think after that goes down, we're going to be looking for a long. Okay, we're going to be looking for a long. I know I got stuff all over the chart. Let's just take a peek here. So you see how this is shaping up here. So I'd be looking for, after that 3-wave move, looking for a wave up like this. And so that's going to give us overall a 3-wave move. And that, my friends, is probably just wave A of a larger WXY, okay? So this would just be wave A. We'd be looking for a wave down and then back up again for a WXY there, okay? Larger time frame. I'm looking at this triangle, or not triangle, but a wedge, okay? I don't draw that very well, but you get the idea. Something like that, and then down we go. 20 to 16K is possible. Okay, 80 of you here, 34 likes. Let's get them matched up, guys. Hook me up, guys. Let YouTube know this is what everybody should be watching. All right, hopefully that's making sense to you guys. So, again, small time frame is kind of where we are. This is flagging out. I think we're doing something like this wave right here. Right here. That's what I'm looking for. And then back down and up. Back down and up. And that'll do something like that. All right, with that said, let's jump into, let's see if we can get Ethereum to correlate with us. So let's do some correlation analysis. Let's also look at the divergence. Let's look at the divergence here first. Right, let's go to the 1 hour. Take a peek at the RSI, see what it's saying to us. 1 hour doesn't look finished. Looks like it needs to go up one more time. It looks like it needs to go up one more time, I would think. 30-minute. I know it kind of looks like divergence is being made there, but I think it's going to go up one more time. Hit the high, but create divergence again. Yeah, another month of chop. That's right. Yeah, I'm looking. So I'm looking for the drop to finish, Ernest. Looking for it sometime around the end of June, July, right? For that last drop, and then we start pumping again, back to the upside. We begin a steady climb back to the upside, incline, or climb, I should say, back to the upside, starting maybe August time frame, July, August time frame, into September. Hard to time it exactly. We'll project a time frame as we get closer. We'll track these waves. Guys, that's what the Discord is for, by the way. Just want to let you know, if you want to be part of the Discord, you got to become a Patreon supporter. It's $40 a month for Tier 1. If you want trade setups and know my entries and exits and what I'm trading, that's Tier 2. I recommend Tier 1 if you want to go through the educational material first for a month and then join Tier 2 once you learn a good risk management system, which I present. But I would not, if you don't know how to trade with good risk management, you don't need to be paying for Tier 2. You really don't. But we've been killing it lately. Just seeing the waves and trading. We've had some frustrating days, but some really fantastic days. So it's been really good to trade this range, guys. This range has been phenomenal to trade. But yeah, looking for another week or into another month of just consolidating action. But we're going to have some good tradable moves in here. Like this move tonight, if it comes down here, that's a good tradable move, right? It's a good tradable move. And then if we get a move back to the upside, that's a good tradable move right there. Really nice, because that's gonna be more of along the lines of this kind of wave right here, right there. So I'm really looking forward to that wave, because we're going to break out. We're going to come down, take out the liquidity possibly, and then come up and take out all this liquidity as well. Whipsaw the market. So that's looking really, really good. Okay. As long as you trade those frustrating days with good risk management. Okay. All right, let's look at Ethereum. But anyway, the small time frame. I know somebody mentioned hidden bear. I don't see. I mean, I see what you're saying. It's not super compelling to me, but it is there. It is there. The 4 hour. I'd like it to come up a little higher, but yeah, that'd be great. Okay.
Are you tired? Did you sleep in the car?
Okay, let's go to Ethereum. See what Ethereum's doing.
What's up?
Did you? You? Did you sleep in the car at all, or did you stay awake?
This has been harder. I'm going to put it on line chart here and go to the 4 hour. Actually, 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour.
Did you sleep in the car?
This has been a little bit harder here.
Did you sleep in the car?
3.
Sure, looks like it.
She made it a good long while. She fell asleep right about halfway.
So
45 minutes.
this could be A.
Are you only
B.
You're 6 hours from home?
C. I don't like that. Having a little harder time with Ethereum, guys, with what's happening here. But this certainly looks like it needs to go down, up like this and finish.
What do you say for dinner?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No problem. I'm ready for next start.
All right, what I want to do is put all this together as wave A, and then 3 here, 3 here,
Disrespect.
and then 3 or 5 here. So looking for this to pump up tonight, finish this, come down, take out this liquidity, and then head up back up again. And that becomes A. All this is B right here. And then we look for C. So that correlates with what we're expecting with Bitcoin. I like that. RSI 15-minute so high. Yeah. So with on the RSI on the 15-minute on the 22nd, good question. That's why I see it more coming down here, right? Because this is a wave 3. This was the A, B, and now we're getting a C wave here of I think we need to go up in 5 waves here, and I'm looking for a short here, and so this is finishing up a move here.
You are so crunchy.
So looking for a 5-wave move, and then I want to see it come on. So I'm looking for this to come up, or a 3-wave actually, and then finish, and then I'm looking for a short tonight. Should be a pretty good short, I think. All right, so yeah, I think what we're looking for so we're gonna say A is right here. A. We got 3 down. We're getting 3 up. We're not finished. Okay, and we're gonna get. And so this is gonna finish B, then C. Okay. There's so that correlates with Bitcoin as well. I like it. Let's look at XRP, guys. XRP. See if we can do some figuring out what that might be doing.
I need watch. That's how she asked for the key. I was like, here, and she goes.
Okay, looking good here.
She was climbing up for this.
Oh no, but I told you to put that in your room, but you're
Let's see, 3, 5.
No,
Looks
you
good.
won't. You're not gonna eat that.
Yeah, so we got an A wave or W wave here.
That's not being a good host. Otherwise, you are being a very good host.
A W wave right here, 3-wave X, flat in the middle, and then looking for Y.
Oh, these are.
Y is making 3 waves.
Sorry.
Boom,
Hey.
boom. Looking for that move there. Take out this liquidity. Up we go. Boom, boom, boom.
She said she
Like
doesn't
that.
want to see you.
So.
What?
I don't think she knows.
Sorry, you're gonna have to explain that.
No, it's fine. My family just came in. My daughter came in from going to Worlds of Fun in Kansas City. Theme park.
She has a funnel cake. I'm not allowed to touch it. Right out for you, I'll let you.
So looking for this thing to finish, this move to finish. Let's do a little work on that wave right now. See what that's forming. What is this?
Sunscreen exists. Did you use that?
I like this as a WXY. This looks like a good WX. And now Y looks like it needs one more wave to the upside. One more pump, guys. One more hit to the high. Once that finishes, we'll be looking for some downside. So draw yourself a trend line right here.
I'm tired. I'm hungry.
Let it break. Let it come up and break that to the downside, and you have a good short on your hands.
Zero everywhere. Look.
Oh.
All right. So yeah, there's XRP. Looking good. Higher time frame. What's XRP doing?
Clearly.
This is a wave 4, best I can tell, guys. That this is like an A, B, and a C,
Okay.
and we're in the middle of wave 4,
Just sitting on the couch and said,
and we're gonna get a wave 5 to the downside, and then we're gonna be looking for
oh,
more up to go.
turkey.
She does not know what that
Oh,
means.
honey, Samuel.
Best I can tell.
I thought it was funny.
It's not. It's not a good word.
All right, let's check the S&P 500 and see what's happening. All right, so what I've been expecting from the S&P, guys, is this week on open, I'm expecting this thing to start pumping at some point and to finish this wave 4 here. Okay? So we're in this wave 4 right here on the 1 hour chart. So I need this to start kind of moving, trending to the upside, creating a wave 4. And then when we finish this wave 4 in BTC and we get our final dump, that's what I'm looking for, the final dump in Bitcoin as well. This count takes us into middle of June, okay, for the dump, and then we go up in end of June, middle maybe. We got to see how this plays out. Because we may be in a wave 4 of 3 where we get another move down. This may take a little bit more time to play. So, but anyway, looking for this right here. Small time frame. I don't know that I can answer, when we can get to the peak of this last pump. We're just going to have to, track the wave as it goes, okay? When? I mean, I can guess for you, like tonight, tomorrow, over this dip to the downside will happen over the next day or two. This pump will happen over the next week or so. So maybe we get to this thing by the end of the week or the end of the end of May, towards the end of May here, and then we start coming back down for another week in June, a week or two, and something like this in June, and then we get another pump there. So by the end of June, towards the end of June, we're looking for the final third wave move to the upside. So we're going to be staying in this range pretty well, probably for the next month or so. So that's the best I can do on timing.
$10 for one boba? Okay. I was going to say that's.
But tonight, we're probably looking for this
I really feel like I need to
last move to the upside. Yeah, somewhere around 2 a.m., 1 to 2 a.m. my time, which is London open, 8 a.m. London time. So looking for this to make. Looking for a wave like this, about 3 waves to the upside like that. Okay? This needs to be 3 waves to finish. So sometime tonight, we should begin to see a reversal happen. Something like that. Yeah, Rudy, I'm not sure if I answered which peak you were talking about, but on the higher time frame peak, middle of, when this thing is finished, we're looking for something like this. We're looking for this move, then back down, then back up. So somewhere around end of June, middle to the end of June, we'll have to see what happens. But we're going to oscillate and pump. We're going to come back down, and we're going to be ranging in here for a little bit.
He doesn't want to get something.
All right, let's look at the DXY as well. DXY.
All your stuff is. Did you wash the other stuff? Your stuff is in a basket.
Okay, so what's DXY doing? I mean, it's dumping, right? But what this looks like, this is pretty interesting structure here. We had this 3-wave move there,
It's all in one spot.
and this looks like 3 waves there. So are we getting 5 waves here? And if that's the case, then we should be pumping pretty soon, or going up to make another 3-wave move like this. And this is the A wave of a larger correction.
Before I put the
something like that, where we stay in this range for quite a while. Again, that would make sense. What I just drew there takes us into the end of June, July range there, end of June, beginning of July, and then, you know, we pump after that DXY, and we dump at that time for Bitcoin and the other markets. So let's see how this wave develops. We're going to track it every week. If you want daily tracking of this wave so you're on board with it, then just come on into the Discord. Guys, if you come by the 25th, come on the 25th, you get the last week of May free. I'll refund your money on June 1st, guys. I'll refund your May payment on June 1st. They will charge you when you come in. So if you came in on the 25th of May, Patreon will charge you because that's the way they bill. And then if you come, then they're going to bill you again on June 1st. What I'll do is I'll refund on June 1st your May 1st payment, or the June 1st payment. Doesn't, I mean your May payment or your June payment, doesn't matter. I'll refund one of them, and you'll in essence get an extra week free. The way that works. All right, guys, that's what I'm looking at. I want to keep it short. I've got my brother-in-law is here tonight, so I want to keep this short. Don't want to look at a bunch of altcoins tonight because, guys, they're going to do what Bitcoin's doing. Just kind of range here. We're making a fourth wave on all the charts, and that'll get us going for tonight and having a good, just a good understanding of what's happening. I hope you guys have a fantastic evening. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Share the love in the comments and like and subscribe and do all that jazz. Appreciate you being here, guys. 105 of you here. Hit the likes for me if you would. And you guys just have a great night. I hope you enjoy your weeks, okay? All right, well, behave yourself, and see you guys in the Discord. Bye-bye.